Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody ask me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Holy fuck. Oh my gosh, it's healing. It's fucking healing. It's snowing and I'm gonna ride. I mean, I have to. I'm going to work. Bonjour. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This is not good. This is not good. It's not gonna even start in it. Yeah. You guys asked for this, so if I die, it's on you. Oh my god, I just need to get the snow off. My key won't even. Oh, it does go in. Oh, holy fuck, my ass. I think it needs to be push start. It's not gonna start. Oh, the battery. No way. The battery's gonna die. My throttle is all hard. It's so slippery, the floor. Oh. Sorry for the breathing. I'm not physically prepared for this. Here we fucking go. Okay, here we go. Oh, it started. Oh, come on. Okay. Wait, am I recording? Okay, I'm recording. Here we go again. Oh, let's let her warm up. I think she's good to go. Oh my goodness, I can't see anything, it's fogging up. Oh my gosh, it's actually fogging up. Oh, the road is so slippery, I can't brake. We're gonna go very slow here. Man, this is how you die. I'll put my feet down. Oh my gosh, it's not rideable. But why am I riding? Oh yo, why my throttle is revving? Oh f***, it's all white. Oh shit. Oh f***. I can see my own trail at the back. Alright, you know what guys, we're gonna do some burnouts, some sick burnouts. You know, look at my engine. It's revving by itself. I think it's trying to warm up or something. Holy f***. I'm so scared. I don't want to use my front brake at all. I'm just gonna touch my rear brake the whole way down. Look, it's revving itself. What the f***? Okay, we're gonna go on high gear. I hope my fuel isn't frozen. Fuel light came on. This is great. Oh no, it went back off. Oh f***. Alright, worst comes to worst, if this thing just go full throttle on me, I'm gonna just turn off the engine. I don't know what this is. Swipe the camera. Make sure you guys can see. Yeah, boy. Oh, excuse me. Go in high gear. Oh man. This thing is weird. It's doing weird things on me, man. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. Oh, I'm freezing. I'm feeling cold. Holy f***. So much snow. Alright, guys. You know the drill. Holy f***. My hands, my fingers, I can't feel them. The pain. No. Oh, fucking cows. Are they not cold? What the f? They're just munching on the grass. Like, man, they have no clothes on, and they're still munching on grass. What? I'll try to catch snow. Ready? Ah. Hey, snowball fight. You know what I mean? My engine almost turned off on me. They're just revving up by itself. Why? Why do you do this? Do you know I love you? Please don't kill me, bike. You know we've been through a lot to... Oh no. 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 Fuck. I need to keep the choke on. Or else I got no throttle response at all. Oh shit. My ass is wet. I could feel it. It's wet. Fucking ass. Oh, my pants. I'm wearing one underwear, one jeans, one sport leggings. I think that's what it's called. And I have rain pants on. And I still feel my ass getting wet inside, which is not good. That's like what? Oh no. Biker, what's up? Riding in the road cold, riding in the rain. That's what you call true bikers right here. Riding in the snow. That's a whole new level. I'm gonna go get fuel after my work. Alright, I just finished with work, guys. It is time to go back home, and I hope it's not snowing. Or I'm f***ed if it's snowing. It doesn't even start. Doesn't even fucking start, bros. I'm gonna push start again. Man, I'm fogging up hard in here, and it's fucking cold. It's so cold. Oh damn, look at that. It's raining over there, like hardcore. Oh, my place looks like it's still snowing or something. Which is not good because I gotta go uphill. And with this bike, I'm gonna slip and die. Snow came early this year. End of September. It's... what the f***? Just what the f***? I'm like, I wanted to do more knee drag, make more music video for you guys, but I mean, I guess it's over. I need to take oil. I need to take gas. I'm low on gas. Oh yeah, I need gas. I really do need gas. Yeah, I'm gonna go get gas real quick, guys. Okay, we're getting gas. And we're gonna hide from the rain. How much is it? £7.95. Oh, 1.39. That's not bad. Usually it's 1.4. £9. Let's give it a bit more. 10. Oh shit. I went over for £10. Don't know if I have money. I might shake him off because I'm a bit broke. No. I have to push start this thing now. It's gonna be so embarrassing. Yeah, it's gonna be a push start. Let's do this. Man, it's just raining like a lot here.
5 minutes later.
Oh, I overtook an Audi! No, oh my gosh, it's hailing. It's f***ing hailing. Ah, it's hailing. I'm getting hit. I need a medic. Medic! Ah, this sucks. Ah! Ah! Ah, this is hell. This is not fun. Stop yelling on my bike. She's gonna take damage. Stop it. I'm sorry. Oh, it stopped. It stopped. No, it's just rain. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's rain now. Come on. Power. Power. I'm turning this way, dude. Like, screw you all. Suck my... Oh shit, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're very welcome. Okay, please do not overtake. Thank you. Messi, Mac. Yeah, I'm entering the snow part. Yo, my hands, I can't feel them. Ooh, it's so cold. Okay, I gotta slow down here now. I gotta slow down. This is snow. This is literally snow. I'm not even joking. Yeah, it is slippery as f***. Okay, gotta go slow. Yeah, I'm on supermoto this. Look at my leg, you know, I'm just gonna... This is literally snow. Oh! I'm slipping. I'm literally slipping. Oh, okay, here we go. I'm slipping. Oh, there's no track. Oh, okay. This is very dangerous. Woohoo! Hey yo, I'm doing burnouts here. Hey yo, let's go skiing. What? There's cows up there. Are they not cold? Jeez, there's cows. Like moo moo. I'm gonna brake. Oh my gosh, it just slipped. I'll brake one more time. There's no traction. Let me see my front wheel. Okay, it's splashing water. Okay. Slow down. I cannot brake my front wheel. I would die. Hey yo, it's snowing again. Well, that is it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit the subscribe and the like button. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.